I'm from Congo in Africa, and back home I was a journalist. Then when I came here, I was like, I need to do something else. Why not try to work with my hands? Before AM, I was working here at the ramp, American Airlines. Like when I started working here in 2021, I met a mechanic. He told me about the work here. I was like, oh my God, I need to do this, My experience was pretty good because, I came with zero experience in aviation. I was so excited because I had to learn more, I was like, oh my God, this is my first time to be working on an aircraft. They put me with good people. All of the AM teachers helped me a lot. All I have now, I have it from AM. I work night shift at a land maintenance. They always give you one aircraft, 2 or 3 mechanics, depending of what you have. That can take you all night if it's something hard, but that can also take you less time, maybe 1 or 2 hours, then you don't. When they give me a job, I try to do my best because at the ramp, I was working on the bags. Right now, I know what I'm doing. I'm working with my hands. I'm here to fix aircraft. And what we do at the ground, keep people flying safe, That's what I can say. A&P certificates give me a lot of opportunity. When I was at school, I was talking with other people, asking people to go to school. They was like, I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Time is going fast. This is the best time for you to go to school. There's a lot of opportunity to have an A&P job. I want to thank all of the instructors in AM Charlotte and all of the people there. They are doing such a good job and trying to give people opportunity to change their life. I want to thank them, and that's all I can say.